Kublai vi baro ki viewers sesin para ka video ngine pe diang mata ya ki khubor Laitkam te sa bhai kun samla yo lese phimpat yo kam yo jam pitang shong haying tikane gede kalat kabun ng ta jeng phi da phila penbit penbiang phila dep ya kane qualification kat ba kane ka department ka pan dinamar kata subha saisin nong phi la da phidang dei ki bathmai ha ka video ba channel ki jonga panum klat ban share like ban subscribe na kata ki wei pade ki khubor Laitkam thì tôi mới tăng in bun kitin show ngin pe no directly ya ne khobor Laitkam kata lomba ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society MSRLS kap dei jong ka sarkar Meghalaya kala khot online application na gupta kini ki khat pratli ki total vacancies but ka online application kala sedang na du neutrik benai August arjar phendiu bat kan kut hadu arpoi tarik unai August arjar phendiu kata hadu san waje janmien ban ka jingsiew na kumta kini ki lai khat pratli ki total number of posts ka jingsiew pinyo lai po ya jar arspa shibnai the key recruitment details kabha ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society kata ka don hadu total post khat pratli ki vacancies ka name of the post ka the project executive non-farm livelihood promotion 8 numbers but block functional specialist 10 numbers. Job location Kandeha po Block Mission Management Unit across Khasi and Garo regions, Meghalaya. Nature of employment contractual. Mo kade contract. Tika monthly salary kande laipuja arspa shibnai. Application mode kade online. Subhavan apply online no. Longba kiling ki bangan subu apo ki comment pins ki jonga. Nagta application fee nil. Mo amdon kamban si application fee free be. Starting date of online application can day 7 August 2026 but the last date can day 21st August 2026. And vacancy breakdown regional distribution sabha nagta ki project executive non-farm livelihood promotion then it PENFLP kadon pratili ki total number of posts southerly hapo Khasi Hill but southerly hapo Garo Hills but ka salary kumbang laong live wajar aspa shibnai nangta ki block functional specialist financial inclusion kadon shipotuli ki post lutely namta ka Khasi but jantia but southerly namta ki Garo but hangneru ka jingsiew kande live wajar aspa shibnai nangta a general qualification requirement for the following posts. Candidate must have secured a minimum of 45% marks from a recognized university or institution. More proficiency in Microsoft package. TPD benang have core computer ro. Nangta fluency to speak and read and write in local languages. Pin la bha ban tho ban pule ban kren hagatin Khasi lane Garo. Nangta project executive educational mo ka specific educational qualification ki pan ya ki bala pandep ya ka post graduation mo postgraduate or degree or diploma in commerce business management agribusiness rural marketing development practice or community development from recognized university experience pidiban yo ya ka experience ru ba sisnam lane hadu arsnam ru umju ba namta ki block functioning specialist pade ka specialist educational qualification kin pan ka postgraduate degree or diploma in science business management finance or commerce hangneru ka experience pidiban don no sisnam lane arsnam but ka age kan dei hadu life host nem mo hadu life host nem nangta kandon ru ka relaxation namta ki ST ke de sans nem kata ko mut namta jungi ki Khasi nila ban apply hadu lipo sans nem okay hadu life sans nem nangta selection process kindon kumno namta bapin shajit hagite ki post shortlisting of applicants nangta preliminary examination kandon ru saka further stages kabde jongka group discussion skill test and personal interview nangta ki documents ki bapi don kam hak bapi apply ya kita ki post kan long passport size photograph and signature nangta proof of date of birth address proof certificate lane mark sheet of highest educational qualification the tribe certificate disability lada pidei ki disability person the working experience and updated curriculum mo tilai shiki cyber kebejan ki jongpi ongi ki ban apply lem nam ta kini ki post lamba kan ni link ke bang bu apo ka comment pins ki jonga tetang kata hi ke bede bat kini kubor laikam termen pila yo jing tipa ke bede begini bat lada pila pendep ini qualification ngan ongi pi soba wanu pensep kini ke dikalat ke bu nam ta jongpi tetang kata hi sajusin makorpat biang soba wanu klet ban share like ban subscribe kublai shibun kublai share jarmu